Good evening. This is the Dean of all things spicy with Conjured Vaporz Peppers, and I'm here to do a pepper review. So tonight, I have a massive pepper to review. This thing is the size of my palm. So this pepper is a Gator Jigsaw from Travis at Burn Daily, and this is the largest Gator Jigsaw I've ever seen. I have a feeling this is going to hurt. Look at the size of this thing. It covers my nose. It's half the size of my forehead, and I have a big old noggin. Anyway, Gator Jigsaw, grown by Travis at Burn Daily. Do me a favor, check Travis out. I'll link him in the description down below. Travis did one heck of a job at the competition at Blaze for the Brave. He's a mean pepper eater. You need to check him out. So what's everybody up to today? Having a good one? No? I'm sorry. Check her out. See what she looks like. That's the inside. There's a lot of capsaicin oil in that. I don't know if it'll pick up all the capsaicin, but whoo, there's some puddles in there. Alright, this might take a while to chew. Please bear with me. Cheers. Wow, that was a lot of pepper. That was a whole lot of pepper. So, I don't think I've had a Gator Jigsaw in a couple, 3 years. And I remember it being extremely hot. I don't feel a whole lot off of this pepper. Unless it's a slow climber. My tolerance is also extremely high right now. But I still think I would feel more than I feel right now. That was a massive pod. I didn't weigh it, but it was probably, I don't know, 24, 25 grams at least, if not bigger. Sorry, sunlight in the window. Almost making me look like Santa Claus with a fully white beard. I'm cool with that. I'm tubby enough to be Santa Claus right now. So the burn, what it is, for what it is mostly on the front of my tongue. A little bit on my gums, just above the top lip, just inside the top lip. Let me get closer so that sun doesn't glare on my face quite as much, like the ring light does. Wow, I'm shocked at how low this seems. It's not even hitting me as if it's a million Scoville heat units. Yet. It's a tasty pepper. Has some earthy notes. When I first bit into it, it was a very fresh flavor, very vegetal, like biting into a fresh cucumber. Not the same flavor, but that sense, that feel, that mouth feel of freshness. And then went to an earthy flavor with a slight bit of bitterness on the back end. I don't think this is climbing anymore. I'm going to give it a minute, though, just to see. Interesting. Man, I remember this pepper being blazing hot. I don't know. Maybe it crossed somewhere in its genetics? So now the aftertaste is somewhat bitter, somewhat grassy. Yeah, I don't think this went very high. I'm thinking this was maybe 800,000 Scoville heat units. Unless my tolerance is just so insane right now. Which, that's possible. I don't know. My belly will probably tell me later. Or not, as the case may be. Well, this is not going anywhere. So I don't want to bore you too much. So this is the Dean of All Things Spicy with Conjured Vaporz Peppers. Thank you for watching. Please check Travis out down in the description down below. Hope you all have an absolutely beautiful night. I'm out.